The Rhino USA Tire Repair Kit packs a very complete set of professional-grade tools and plug materials into one organized case, making it easy to handle roadside punctures without a trip to the shop. With its heavy-duty steel tools, sturdy handles, and thick plug strips, the kit feels durable in the hand and stands up well to repeated use on car, truck, and trailer tires. The generous supply of plug strings and included extras like lubricant, probe tool, and utility knife mean you can service many punctures before needing any refills. Drivers who travel in harsh climates will appreciate that the components are built to function reliably in rain, snow, and high heat, so the kit can stay in the vehicle year-round. The compact design stores neatly in a trunk or cargo area, yet opens to a clearly laid-out interior so you can quickly find what you need when you are stranded on the roadside. Backed by a responsive American family-run company that stands behind the product with strong customer support, the kit gives extra confidence that any issues will be taken care of.